Hello, this is Walter Guerrero. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the skin module on a 2006-2007 Jeep Commander. Whether it uses the remote header key or the gray key, the silver key with no remote, you remove this plastic cover. It just snaps, okay? And then you're gonna notice that it has two screws. We've already removed that. But first, you need to remove the cover from the dash. There's screws, okay, in different places. Once you remove that, then it'll snap out, and then you can remove that from the dash cover, and we get to the skin part. Now again, there's two screws right here, and there's also one right behind here that you have to remove in order for this to come out. Okay, once you remove that, you can gently push this, because if you push it too hard, you can break that ring. Now obviously this one is defective, so it really doesn't make much difference if you break it, but you have to be careful, because when you put the new one in, you don't want to break the new ring as you're trying to put it back in. It's just a little tricky. There's the cables, the wire, connector, so you have to move it from the back and work yourself around so you can bring it down. From the knee cover. There it is. So you unplug this one here, and then remove the little screw from the back, replace it with a new one, then mount it again and put everything back together and start the car. Thanks for watching.